And I'm going to show you how to create a triptych using Photoscape X. That's a program you can install from the application store. It provides an easy way to combine three images into a clean triptych. So you're looking at the interface. On the left is the, well, you can see the top menu right now set to viewer, and you can find your pictures in there. So go to whichever folder you have your pictures in. And then at the top, again, you can see various menus, viewer, editor, etc. What we want to do is combine. We're going to combine images. You click combine, and you have various options for layout. There's vertical, horizontal, or tile. Most of the time, you want to do horizontal. I click the horizontal, and then what you do is just drag your pictures into the screen. So drag the first picture in, the second picture, and the third picture. You see it automatically resizes to make everything fit. Now on the right-hand screen, you can change your margins. So you can have increase or decrease the margins and the spacing. I set the default of 10, which seems to work pretty well, but you can play around with that if you want. You can look in each picture just to see. You can also change the background color. There's solid colors, patterns. So let's choose the background color. And there's even a little color picker down here. Click on that and pick somewhere. Let's take a beigey color there. Okay. Now you might get asked when you do that the first time uh, for screen and audio permission to share. It's up to you. All that is good for is if you're making little recordings or something. But most of the time, just say don't allow. Be fine. Now, sizing wise, it's a bit odd the way it works. Back to the top right here, you're fitting to height, and the default is 500, but it means your resulting size is 1689 wide. So basically, you have to play with that to get a rough idea. You want to export to 1400 wide. So there's various options. Horizontal images normally around 450 should work. Try that. The resulting size is still a bit too large. Let's try 400. 59, so a bit more, 410. Getting close. Anyway, you can play around with it to get exactly to 1400 wide, 412. There you go. Always closer one to get. So there you go, a picture that's ready to go with these three images. And all you do then is save your triptych. Bottom down here was the save button. You click save, and you tell it the name you want to give it. So I'll just call it sample for club. And where you want to save it. Could be anywhere amongst these things. So I'll just put it back on my desktop. And at the last step, you can set JPEG quality. So I put it up to 500, not 500, 100, because if I have a kilobyte file. And there it is, sample per club. There you go. Okay, it's pretty simple. And then once you're done with the program, you know, clear it up and put some more pictures in. You just click on the picture and click the little X, makes it go away. See there, click that one away. And you can redo it. And the defaults stay the same. So when you put your next pictures, you might have to change the height to get a different, depending on the orientation of the pictures. And you can change the margin, the background color too, of course, if you want.